Once upon a time in the vibrant land of Rainbowville, there was an extraordinary event known as the Amazing Race of Colors. This annual race brought together participants from all corners of the rainbow: Redville, Orangeville, Yellowtown, Green Grove, Blue Bay, Indigo City, and Violetville. The goal of the race was simple yet exciting. Each participant had to journey through various challenges and obstacles to find the magical color wheel hidden deep within Rainbow Valley. Legend had it that the color wheel held the secret to creating the most beautiful and harmonious colors ever seen. Our story begins with three friends: Ruby the Red Racer, Oliver the Orange Explorer, and Yara the Yellow Adventurer. They were thrilled to be representing their respective regions in the race. As the colorful trio stood at the starting line, a lively rainbow announcer named Roy started the countdown. "On your marks, get set, go!" he exclaimed, and the race began. The first challenge awaited them in the Red Rock Canyon. Ruby, with her speedy red shoes, dashed through the rocky terrain. Along the way, she encountered a puzzle involving matching red objects. With her keen eye for detail, she quickly solved it and earned the first piece of the color wheel. Meanwhile, Oliver navigated the Orange Oasis, where he faced challenges that tested his knowledge of orange fruits and animals. Despite a tricky encounter with an orange-loving parrot, Oliver cleverly answered the questions and secured the second piece of the color wheel. Yara, in the Yellow Sunshine Meadow, embraced challenges related to the sun and yellow flowers. Her bright smile never faded as she successfully completed tasks, earning the third piece of the color wheel. As the friends progressed, they met at the Green Enchanted Forest, where they faced a joint challenge. Together, they solved riddles and worked as a team to unlock the fourth piece of the color wheel. Next came Blue Lagoon, where they had to swim through blue waters and answer questions about the sky and oceans. With determination, they earned the fifth piece of the color wheel. In Indigo Caves, the friends encountered a maze that tested their problem-solving skills. Navigating through the dark tunnels, they finally reached the center and found the sixth piece of the color wheel. Finally, they reached Violet Valley, where they faced the last challenge: a giant rainbow slide leading to the hidden color wheel. Racing down together, they united the pieces, and a burst of magical colors filled the valley. Roy, the rainbow announcer, appeared and congratulated them. "You've unlocked the secret of harmonious colors. The amazing race of colors has shown that when different colors come together, they create something truly extraordinary." Ruby, Oliver, and Yara celebrated their victory, realizing that the true magic of the race was in the unity of colors. As they proudly displayed the complete color wheel, the land of Rainbowville shone brighter than ever before, a testament to the power of diversity and collaboration. And so, the amazing race of colors became a cherished tradition, reminding everyone that in the tapestry of life, each color plays a vital role in creating a beautiful and harmonious world.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.